I am so bored.
Same here.
I have an idea. Oh, here you go.
Give me some of that shit, man. Come on.
What's in this stuff, man?
I don't know, but I think he's having a seizure.
I'm freaking
he's okay
out
now.
here, man. I'm freaking.
Dude, just take another hit. Just take
Yeah,
another hit.
just calm down. It's
Make
okay.
it all better.
Yeah, it's okay, man.
Make it all better, man.
Just calm.
Dude, what's wrong with Dingo? I mean, he's like laying there.
I don't know. Do you think we should call somebody?
Nah, he's probably fine. Dingo. Dingo. Come on.
Oh shit.
Run,
man.
Dude, where am I? I don't know. What's wrong with Calypso, man? Dude.
That was one massive party, dude.
What's that on his head?
I have no idea.
What was in that shit?
I don't know, I just bought it off some guy on the street corner.
Fuck, what time is it?
I don't know, but that shit was awesome!
Dude, what the fuck? Why do I have a boner? Make room for
Say my name, bitch! Say my name!
I'm gonna come.
Take it, bitch!
Never speak of that to anyone.
Anyone.
But it was so awesome!
Shut up!
I think you got it in my eye.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry.
I'll check it out. Sorry.
Not again. Not again.
Say my name!
Ew, it's in my eye again.
Hazy! Oh my god! Dingo!
Louder, bitch.
It's getting
In the face. Okay, guys, this time, I mean it. Never again.
Agreed.
Agreed.
Fuck, I need to be home in 10 minutes. How do I hide from my mom that
Stoned.
that's a word. Not Lady Gaga.
Disco stick!
Can't explain all the feelings that you're making me feel. My heart's in overdrive and you're behind the steering.